guys, this is a sort of a tutorial of how to fix your bent bars. I've just fixed mine so they're not bent, but I know it's really annoying. The way how to do it if like your bar isn't like it's all straight right there, all straight, is these gold suspension cover things. I don't know what they're called. If you just undo that bolt or those two and that one behind there, and just like twist it, sort of just like go and just twist it like that, it should go back. It might not look like it's straight, but when you put the bars back on, it is straight. So yeah, it's the tutorial how to fix your bent bars.